Shoo! Oh, di ba meron pang ganun talaga, no? Shout out to everyone, Spiceful Live. Ay, shout out. Andali lang, sisingalan tayo. Let's go on. Alright, magandang gabi, bayan. Shout out to everyone. Magandang gabi once again. Alright, okay, let's do a very nice ballad love song for you entitled Beautiful in My Eyes by Joshua Caddison. Alright, shout out. Beautiful in My Eyes. This is Mix D. You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I try to find, and your love is superb. And you're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies, and my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful. And in my eyes, the world will turn. Beautiful and strange, we'll never feel of tears, our share of sighs. My only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful. And in my always be beautiful in my eyes, and the messages will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes. There were lines upon my face from a lifetime of smiles. When the time comes to embrace, for one long last while, we can laugh about times really collide. We won't say goodbye, 'cause true love never dies. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes, and you will always be beautiful in my eyes. And the passengers will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes. Passengers will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes. Alright, Beautiful in My Eyes, a very nice ballad song for you in this lovely evening. Shout out to everyone. Welcome to Bigo Live Philippines, simultaneously live broadcasting sa ating YouTube channel, guys. Mix Derulo, our YouTube channel, if you want to check it out, guys. Alright.